We are talking credit scores, the cost of kids, and the benefits of haggling. So Simply Money's Nathan Bachrach is here to break it all down. What did you say before we got into the segment?
If you want to be financially successful, don't get married. If you get married, don't have kids. And if you get married and have kids, don't get divorced.
2 out of 3.
How you doing? Yeah.
2 out of 3 already.
Marzullo has totally lost it. Frank, wherever you are on set, think about it. It's still not too late.
All right, let's get right to questions because a lot of people out there in TV land have some really poignant things to ask you. I love this one, the first of which. I want to get a home equity line of credit to do some work on my house. The credit score is 690. How much higher would it need to be to qualify for a better interest rate? I think a lot of people deal with that.
Here's some information. At between 670 and 699, average home equity line of credit, which we call a HELOC, would be about 7.5%. If you can get your score to 700, it drops to 6.135%. That saves you about about $340 a year over the course of a lifetime of a loan. That's almost $7,000. Get over 720, and let me tell you, everybody wants to see you when you go in for a loan because that's the high. After 720, you're just bragging because that's as high as you can get, really.
And again, just making payments on time, being a good steward of a credit card can help you do that.
Absolutely. Your credit score has everything to do with how a banker or a credit union official is going to feel. You look very pretty at 720. You look kind of ugly at 615, 650, okay? So you want to improve your looks? Get your score up.
All right. This next one. My husband and I both have good jobs now and would like to start a family. How do you prepare financially for a baby? I have 2 of my own. I still don't know.
You don't prepare financially for a baby.
Yeah.
This is like an atomic financial shock, okay? Forget about it. It's $250,000. That's what the feds say it will currently cost if you want to have a baby. Now, I will tell you, you better have an emergency fund before you have any kids. You better get a financial plan. And the average cost of daycare, if you and your spouse are both going to work, is about $18,000. You don't know how many times somebody sat across the desk from me at Simply Money and going, well, by the time we pay this and that, you know what? Maybe we'll just cut the budget and one of us won't work.
Wow. All right. That's kind of depressing, actually.
Well,
sorry.
The facts are the facts, all right?
Yeah.
At least you know ahead of time.
The tip of the week. I love this. 89% of customers who haggled for a better deal save some money?
Absolutely. And I'm going to tell you something. Make sure you know what the deal is that you want before you ask for it. So you say, well, can I get this for X? And then the most powerful thing you can do in negotiating is shut up.
Sounds good.
Say, hey, and then just be quiet. After you ask for a deal, shut up. The pressure will sound like it's going to go on forever. Just relax. Think of something else, Just keep your mind. You'll win.